You don't realize someone cut off my ear?
Nice.
You like it?
Yes.
Oh, he likes my hair. Guys, it's the first time I'm wearing my hair out. Like this. I'm always off on my week. But I decided I need to start with my hair out. Why am I going to have my hair now? Hair out. Put on my seatbelt because no one is above the law. Who said that? Shoot first and ask questions later. We need to. So I'm on my way to town, guys. I didn't get to go shop for the card for the lady yet. I think I'm gonna deal with that today. I am definitely gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna get my laptop work on so I can edit you guys video because we can't edit because my laptop will give me some problems, some loading issues. I think also I might be going to a farm store or something like that. But yeah, I rub some stuff in my ear. Kind of feel like a bit softer. I'm gonna get the thing that curl. You know, I brush something off. Curl up. Curl up the ear.
I have a pan. Oh. When I go watch it.
Watch it. I want to send more something there. You know. If mommy may ask him, the advanced care amount if you put on the flyer. You have it? Transparent.
You have a pan WhatsApp?
Yeah, 10%.
Yo! Send somebody chopping advance pan Melissa.
No.
Send somebody care pan Melissa phone.
You want what can go up on flyer I want? Yeah. With the transparent background.
I must have to do this to you know. I must have to do this to you know.
So guys, you know I make flyers too.
Everybody.
I started, but
I've been.
What?
Advanced.
Yo! What kind of team? What on the buggy when you say? When want me make?
Our flyers on Tuesday party flyers.
Every Tuesday?
Yeah.
Wait, up our road?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can't deal with the man.
But you want some my team man them funny.
Oh, okay, when you flyer them?
Yeah.
See, have you sent me a picture of them? So where you going to name? Advanced Thursday?
Advanced. Cool out Tuesday.
So we're not Advanced Tuesday? Huh?
What do you think? What you say now? What you say?
No, I said.
You have to send me a picture of them.
You have to send a picture of them.
So when me couldn't never name me Advanced Tuesday? I want to go name me Cool Out Tuesday. Think about it and have a little time.
January, you know. January or February. After church party.
Yeah, I think I can call it.
Every other is true.
Because since I all want to go there, the advanced team, I think Advanced Tuesday would be the ideal name.
Advanced Cool Out Tuesday.
I think about it, I remember know. And send me a picture of them.
Yeah. You build on flyers.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You hear that? Engineering.
So,
yeah.
guys, I also make like flyers for parties and stuff like that. You guys know that I do voiceovers and things for companies internationally and locally. So if you want something done for your business, you can definitely hit me up and talk about prices and stuff like that and things. So once you're Jamaican, you get a discount from me. Become a like when Jamaican people and push out them business and things. And I've been doing this, well, for my voice acting, I've been doing this for like 3 to 4 years now. So kind of a hang on it and things. So that is that. So when I'm in town now, I'll link you guys up if I'm at the location getting the card for the lady and stuff like that. They never notice them put out Christmas tree out as a buggy. Christmas tree in our community. Santa needs to put some presents under it. Alright guys, so you know I look so cute. Right now I am trying to get some file pans. We have an event at school tomorrow. $300 for them. Lead them different. I would say I've never get. I'm trying to get some file pans. Some foil pans for the event tomorrow. We're having a cookout tomorrow for the charity event. So these are the last minute snacks in. Can I cover feet? Okay, I cover, you know. Alright, so $300. And I need to buy some hand towels. I'm heading to Scott hand towel. Get me to buy 2 hand towels for them, you know. I'm heading to the technician now. He's right up the road. You don't know me, they shop already. Hello. You guys need to sponsor me. Skylife TV. This video is sponsored by Hilo. A joke. I need to get the hand towel them. I drop them off from school because my school up on the same road as this. Somebody just got to deal with him. Why am I drop off my laptop? And I need to go to Bashko. Try to get some stuff. Some I'll try to kill some bird with 1 stone. I don't know how much bird. People that in a hell was came down. They never see vlogging it. No. I'm MELICASKYLIFE. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend. I'm very excited about what is to come. I'm so proud of you guys for staying subscribed. I'm baiting. So sorry.
Hey.
Hi. That's what I'm doing. No, so I'm gonna check out that. Take shortcut, B. Right there, so take a shortcut there, so.
That's not a shortcut.
Yours is not a shortcut?
This is a further to go back so. But you have to go come in our town.
Which is a shortcut, my nigga. So guys, I'm all the way in another parish. And I is a Lucy. Yo guys, me have crate neck. I don't want to get copyright. You can turn it down. You know that if you're with YouTube, if you're recording and yeah, the song is in the background, I get a copyright strike. So that video I won't get any income from it. So I'm in the hills of Luciano. Came to deal with some stuff. I really want to show you the sound. Yeah guys, as I was saying, I'm in another parish. I really want to show you the beach on Lucy always rough and dirty. I don't know if you guys ever come to Lucy before. It look like a beach in a Jersey. Well, this is not a beach because no sun not there. This one can see that beach. Like, I don't know. See, I just see because you can make a beach like where you can go and swim and you see sun and the best of it. Well, this, I don't know. With sun, that's
you know what
black.
They could have clean it. You know, so they could have clean it and turn it on beach.
But a black sun down so. That's why water blocks out be. Because the sun dark. Do you understand?
It didn't even look like a sun, it looked like a sawdust.
Yeah, it looked like almost like mud. So as I was saying guys, I woke up the other day stretching. Just a stretch my hand, I never wake up with crick neck. I'm here crick in my neck. I'm mad figure a doctor because right now my neck a pain me. I'm have crick neck from him. So I actually deal with 2 things off of my agenda today. I'm going to fix the laptop. Come down here so I can deal with something. But I have to go back to school now because I didn't remember I have something here to do. And then I can't go back again for go to gym today because I have a big event tomorrow. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of scenery here coming from Lucy to Montego Bay. So I hope you guys appreciate it. So guys, this is a little beach in Lucy. Showing you what it looks like. It's a cool day outside today. Sun down your man, but a black sun. Some children are on the beach playing. So cute. I'm such a joker. So see beach over there, so now my shortcut. Can't take a sand on my shoes. There's some black sand down here, so I'm doing a little bit of road trip today. I'm trying to head back to Montego Bay now. Buy some stuff for farm and bay things. You know, big investment thing. Bathing. But today is a beautiful day outside as usual. So this is how we do it in Jamaica. Kids normally just be outside, especially summer and December season. You just chill in the streets. That's the difference between Jamaica and the USA. Chances are, boy, rare when you see this whole time phone on over, so you have to cloak up. The sea breeze is so, I don't know if you guys are starting focus. It's so nice. Them small, you could buy that.
Bedroom here, you know.
Eh?
Bedroom here.
But when we go expand on that,
You can't expand on it. You want a little piece of roof set, so.
I don't like that. I don't like that roof there. I like that roof.
It's not maybe a 7 million for them.
No, sir. Against beachfront, you must be mad. Anything against yes, I over 10 million. Currently, one big bump that's on. We're at school preparing for our cookout tomorrow. Beside me, Camille taking orders. Like seriously, walk us. So I write up and I prepare for tomorrow with the orders and stuff. If you guys are interested in donating to or two charities, you can definitely link me up on Instagram or in the DM or in the comment section, and I will advise you accordingly. Guys, you're cut off on baby. So that me I don't know about 8 o'clock now. I'm trying to get this done so that I can go home. I'm tired. Later.